How to use iMessage on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings on your device and scroll down and you will see the option for apps. Tap on that and scroll down again and navigate to messages and tap on it. Here, you will see the option for iMessage, so go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for iMessage and wait a few seconds for activation. Now, go a step back to Settings homepage and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and make sure that you are signed in to your Apple ID, and if not, then you can go ahead and sign yourself in with your Apple account. Now go ahead and open the Messages application on your device and tap on the compose icon on the top right of your screen. Further, enter a contact who uses iPhone and has enabled iMessage on their phone. Now, type in your message and then tap on the send button. Here, if the text turns blue, iMessage is working, and if it stays green, then it sends as SMS and not as iMessage. You can then go ahead and send photos, videos, stickers, and more once you have enabled the iMessage. So tap on the plus icon on the bottom left of your screen and you can then send photos, memojis, or you can tap back, or you can take a photo immediately by tapping on the camera option you see there, or then you can also send the voice message, or you can send games, apps, and GIFs via the iMessage app. Also, before sending the message, hold on the send button you see there and you will see bubble effects and screen effects. Bubble effects sends the message in effects such as slam, loud, gentle, and invisible ink, whereas screen effects has various effects such as balloons, fireworks, confetti, laser, shooting stars, etc. You can then go ahead and make sure that the internet is enabled, as iMessage does not work if there is no internet connection on your device. Also, scroll down in settings again and tap on apps and then on messages. Here, make sure the send and receive toggle button is enabled and make sure to choose at least one from the following options, such as your phone number or email address under both, where people can reach you, and what address you send from. So this was about how you can use iMessage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.